Okay, then today we are going to continue our paper, the last 10 MCQ questions. 31st, given below are some information about a disease related to the human respiratory system. The disease is caused by virus or bacteria. A fluid is collected in the lungs. So pneumonia is caused due to virus or bacteria. Bronchitis and asthma are due to inflammation. Tuberculosis is caused due to bacteria. So the most suitable answer is pneumonia. 32nd. The number of carbon atoms in an isoprene molecule. Isoprene is the monomer of the rubber. The structural unit of rubber. It contains 5 carbon atoms. 33rd one. Given below is a circuit with a small torch bulb and a LED. What are the correct observations? So if you take the LED, the negative terminal connected to the negative terminal of the battery, positive to the positive. So it is a light emitting diode. So the terminals are not properly connected, so LED will not light up. So the bulb has the positive light up. So the most suitable answer is the third one. Okay, then the 34th one, which answer gives the characteristics of phylum Echinodermata, possess a sharp, shiny body. Actually, it should be spiny body. Spiny. B, a water vascular system present in the body. It is correct. Several body segments collectively form functional segments called tagma. So it is in the arthropods having nematocysts. So this is in the cnidarians to attack the prey, in order to attack the prey. So not in the echinodermate. So it should be spiny body covering, not shiny. So the answer is A and B. 34th, it is A and B. 35th. Which one is the true statement out of the followings? Nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1, O16. So those are the relative atomic numbers or the mass numbers of the relevant elements. The number of ammonia molecules in 34 grams is 6.022 into 10 to the power 3. So this is the Avogadro constant. If 34 gram is 1 mole of NH3, it will be correct. So NH3 is N is 14, H is 3 into 1, 3, it is 16. 14 and 3, it will be 17. So 17 twice is 34, this is 2 mole. So 2 mole won't be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, this is for 1 mole. So it won't be correct. 5 moles of hydrogen is in 90 gram of water. Water molecule, the mass number is 2 plus 16, 18. 18 times 5 is 90. That means 5 moles of water molecule is there in 90 grams, not hydrogen. Hydrogen will be 10 moles, not 5 moles. The molar mass of a compound is 40 J, mole minus 1. Relative atomic mass of that compound is 40. Yes, that is correct. Number of oxygen molecule in 4 moles of carbon dioxide is 8 into 6.0. Now, carbon dioxide means CO2. In 4 moles, there will be 8 oxygen molecules. No, 8 oxygen atoms. Molecules will be 4. So, it should be 4 into 0.22 into 10 to the power 23. So there is 8 atoms, but here they say oxygen molecules. That means O2. O2 is into 4 times it is there, not 8 times. Oxygen atoms are 18. So here the answer is the third one, 35, third one. Next we are going for the 36. The diagram shows the oscillatory motion of a metal rod in a magnetic field. Which graph gives the electromagnetic induction correctly? So electromagnetic, this, if you take motion and a magnetic field, so it will result a current. Okay, a moving conductor in a magnetic field will generate current, and that current will be alternating current. So fourth one is the answer, alternating current. So you know this is the pattern of an alternating current. 37. Mendel's experiments on inheritance are very important due to presenting a scientific concept about the transmission of inherited characteristics, explaining the process of inheritance through chromosomes, explaining the process of inheritance through genes, explain the number of chromosomes in a vegetative cell is varied from a given cell. So what Mendel did was he explained the process of inheritance through genes. He called them as factors genes. The genes is called by as factors by him, but later it was revealed he was referring to the genes. So he explained the process of inheritance through genes. 38. The hazardous organic substances related from different sources are called persistent organic pollutants. We call them POPs. So the specific feature they have asked, normally the features of POP is highly toxic and they accumulate in the environment for a longer period of time, and also they include in the dirty dozen. Okay, so those are the features of POPs. So highly toxic per short time, it is suitable, accumulate in the body of organism along food chains. So those we call as biomagnification. The poisons which accumulate in body along food chains, it won't be relevant to POPs. Spread within a small area. No, in a large area it will spread. Not including the dirty dozen. No, it is included in dirty dozen. Next to the POP note, you have a table including the dirty dozen. So POPs are included. So the specific feature. So this is wrong. Highly toxic is a specific feature of POPs. 39. The following symptoms can be seen in a patient. Increase in the number of times pass urine at night. Amount of urine form reduces. Body ache and body pain. Swelling of ankle or foot and becomes pale in color. So we have the following diseases. We have to identify which disease symptoms are these. Now increase in the number of times passed, that is more suitable to diabetes, and amount of urine form reduces as well. Swelling of ankle or foot and becomes pale in color. Okay, so here they say the amount of urine form reduces. So it is occurring mostly in renal failure. So this is renal failure, swelling of ankle we can observe. So the most suitable one is third one. In the 40th, most of the renewable energies are considered as sustainable energy. Still, the using of these renewable energy is not popular due to different technical problems. Which one of these important steps is of using natural energies in the field of architecture? Architecture means okay, so architecture mean in the field where we construct mostly the houses. So first one, to introduce fixing of air condition machine instead of natural ventilation methods. So this is one method in using natural energies. Uh, Actually, this is not relevant to architecture. To keep windows from west to east to enrich the air flowing inside the house. So that is one relevant to architecture, where you place the windows to take the natural wind. To aware the people to use bulbs which are not sensitive to light in daytime. To give advice for using curtains with high thickness. So relevant to architecture is these windows. So we build the windows according to the wind direction so that natural wind will flow. So you can use wind is a renewable energy source. So that is the most suitable answer. So we are done with the 40 MCQs of this grade level third term paper with 3 parts. So this is the third part I am concluding. I am hoping to do more questions with you all. Keep awaiting. Thank you for watching.